Today I want to teach you how you can use rubrics and checklists to kind of springboard your revisions sessions of your writing. The first thing I would look at, I know they can be kind of overwhelming because there's so many categories. Obviously, every single time we really need to focus on the punctuation, spelling, sentence structure, like the conventions part of the checklist. But two areas today, I just want you to select two areas after you drafted your memoir yesterday that you know that today you could really go and kind of develop those areas. I think if I was going to do my story about Dallas and the chickens, I would start with the lead and think about how I could really like establish a situation where he and I are very naive about how to raise these chickens, or really like let the reader know through our actions of us having to like search how to raise them and find directions and how to hatch them and buying an incubator and things like that to kind of like start off this project, and kind of just letting the reader know just really how naive we are in particular about what it is that we're doing, that we're very inexperienced, and that could, possibly lead to issues later down on the road. And then the other part I would really focus on is the ending, where I really wrap up and make a resolution of how we have this realization that, farm animals are not pets, and that, we were wrong into believing that it was, and just how sometimes when you don't listen to the people that are in charge or the people that are experts, that sometimes you have to learn a lesson the hard way, which we absolutely did. So I would really focus on how I could get my message across in my beginning and my ending, particularly in the details, to open up my problem and my kind of like foreshadow what could happen, and then also creating a closure and a resolution. So I hope that in the assignment, in the text box, I want you to list two categories that you can really just select to, springboard your editing session and get into your digital writer's notebook for memoirs, and really just start working on that draft. Because remember, just when you think you're done, you've just begun. We've got a lot of work we need to do to make these memoirs really great. So I look forward to reading your writing. Let's get in there and really do some good edits today.